In this guide, I'm going to show you how you can take a screenshot here on a Mac. Before we do get into this guide, make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel with all notifications on. It really does help the channel and lets us know that you want more content like this. We'd greatly appreciate it, and if at any point throughout this guide you did have any questions, just ask them down in the comment section below and we can help you out further. I'm going to be doing my best to reply to every single comment down there. This is going to work whether you want to screenshot your entire screen or just a specific portion, and it's also going to work in any app or any browser that you might be using. Let's go ahead and start by going over how to screenshot your entire screen. Essentially, you're going to want to hit the following keys. Begin by pressing Command and holding it down, then hitting Shift and holding it down, and then hitting the 3 key. This is going to immediately take a screenshot of the entire screen, and it'll go ahead and pop up with a little preview down in the bottom right corner and then save to your desktop. From here, you can open it up, send it to whoever you'd like, edit it, do really whatever you'd like. In my case, I'm actually just going to go ahead and delete this by dragging it down to my trash can right here. Now, if you only want to take a screenshot of part of your screen, essentially do the exact same thing. Hold down Command, Shift, but this time hit 4 instead, and it's going to then turn your cursor into a little like crosshair. From here, just click and drag over any area that you want to capture and then release, and that screenshot will once again save automatically. It'll once again pop up in your bottom right corner. From here, you could select it, do whatever you like. And as you can see, this is a perfect screenshot right here. And it actually looks like I've aligned it pretty perfectly as well. Oh my gosh. But yeah, from here, you could share it, do whatever you like. In my case, I'm going to delete it as well. But that is it. That's really all there is to it. That's how you could screenshot here on a Mac. If this guide did help you out, make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel with all notifications on. It really does help the channel and lets us know that you want more content like this. We'd greatly appreciate it. And if at any point throughout this guide you did have any questions, just ask them down in the comment section below and we can help you out further. Have a great rest of your day, though. Peace.